why we are having problems. You ask me now, what caused the problem? So I want to tell you now. Because I don't want to say it before. Because now I'm tired. Why we are having more problems. I tell him to stop selling drug. Do you know drug?
He's a drug seller.
He sell drug. I tell you to stop.
Hey, wait, my people. How una dey? Also una dey fine. Una just hear this video now. I go put am for una make una listen. Una know say social media, especially the Blue app, it just dey make kpakpo. The kind saga wey be say that man whether they call Nokia with a baby mama, whether na a baby mama, whether na a wife, I don't know. Whether they call Sonia, the thing just they make kpakpo. No be so much saga. This one where I jump put for now, so I go put am for una make una listen. Mona hear this girl. This girl whether they call Sonia. If they tell Ogbalegbe say the man, the baby papa, say if they sell that one where they put for nose, the white one. Italy, no one here. Oh, hey, oh. I bet people where be say if they Italy or is still there Italy. Una supposed to talk to this girl. They go collect those children for your hands. I hear say that if they for Germany, then you can't go France. Let's say from France, now you can't come Italy. Hey, don't play. Italy go collect your children like say it go be like film for una eye. It go be like film, especially that woman. Then they call Ogbalegbe all the time. They call Ogbalegbe. So the way where they will take collect that pikin, maybe they never go meet George. And this one where this woman can't talk now. My people, now some people, I don't understand though. If you're not there for this abroad, as far as say not be the man carry you come, not be you carry the man come. Even say na even can na both of una you carry this one come, and this one carry you come. If una see say the relationship not they go well, una not come out. I don't understand. I just they ask. Una not come out. Now every day una come they fight for the front of una children. Every blessed day. Now when they fight, they throw bottle, they call Ogbalegbe, they call social. If they come carry on and go through one for country, now, una come they cry. All this way, but they're not good though. They're too wicked. They're not like black at all. They're not just like una. They give them headache. The time we're supposed to be said they go, they walk, they'll come, they stay until they stay where una there for there. They call them, they come, they run, they come because of say children they there. Now because of all this minority, and I make them still they even they listen to now because they know say una get little children. You as Nokia. When they call Nokia, my brother, use your brain. You see, when woman don't go tell Ogbalegbe say, even though son like when I go through where, if you go there again, I be say you don't know yourself. I just they tell you the full thing because it gets our body go pepper you rich, but there are certain things you go still hold on. But when woman don't open mouth, go talk with you when you buy you. It not care. If you see what you want, you go push you for inside, go come out for them. Both of una not made to stay together. Una not go rest. I don't understand. Now today they see people were born for each other. They go still separate. That every blessed day, una they fight una say. What una they teach those children? What una they teach them? I don't understand. I be una swear hold together. Even though some evil swear, the one can make una destroy and make everybody go their own way. Make I put the video for now, my people. Now know say all these people they know they advise them. If you advise them, they will take and go another place. But this advice now. You as a Nokia, as far as say this girl don't go tell Ogbalegbe say you dey sell something. That Italy you are not safe. Unless say may you not put your hand for anything. Even people where they do the thing, not they near them. You understand? Not they near them. Not get anything to do with them. Otherwise, you go inside for what you don't know what you don't know too. Maybe you really they do, I don't know. But now both of them and they charge the money. But you don't put that for your head now say you they do another one and they cause quarrel. But we don't they see many quarrel, many, not be today. Ha! Now wow. May God help our children. Wanna help me love and like and share this video. Leave your own comments. I go still put the video where be say he do say the woman not they do anything for her. Say more can see the house everywhere get her CB. Not be by force to stay together. Not be by force. Maybe you as a man, you don't miss the woman where be say God don't prepare for you, say that you want to stay with. Maybe the woman now also don't see miss road. The man where God say this one ain't be your own. Both of us see the passion they go. Or in the name of say we don't want me to laugh us. We must go together. I don't born for you. I don't born bear for you. I don't want to come out for there again. Waiting not let person come out. It go by person. And bye.
Me want cast everywhere. No problem. Scusa me. Um, I don't want to tell you before. So, well, what caused problem? I had to chill a come. I said, go and bring her.
Yeah.
Why we are having one issue? This man is selling drugs.
Can you repeat? I don't know.
You don't understand.
No. No, can you repeat?
Okay. Why we are having more problems? Do you understand me?
No.
Do you understand?
What's the question?
Why we are having problems? You ask me now.
Yeah.
What caused the problem?
Yeah.
So I want to tell you now.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to say it before.
Okay.
Because now I'm tired.
Yeah.
Why we are having more problems?
Yeah.
I tell him to stop selling drug.
Okay.
Do you know drug?
Yeah. He's a drug seller.
He said drug.
Okay.
I tell you to stop
Okay.
because government give us house.
Yeah.
Because government give us house.
Yeah.
The government know about it, it will be a problem.
Okay.
That is not the problem.
Okay.
He don't want to stop.
Okay.
And I'm afraid because social worker can come get there to fix it. It's a problem for me. I have a case.
Yeah, I understand.
Tell him to stop. If you can tell him to stop, tell him to stop.
Okay. Hai capito?
No, me don't bust everywhere. Wah so bad by you. Wah so you go.
Does he have drugs inside the house?
He put inside the house.
Inside or outside?
Inside, he cut inside.
Which kind? What kind of drugs? Ashes.
Not hashish. I don't know. White.
White.
Yes.
Cocaine.
Yes. You talk and finish. Bam.
Okay.
Bam. Tell you to stop. Because I don't want social worker to come and see it. It will be a problem for me. Government give me the house for the children, not for drug. That is what cause problem every day, every time. That is what cause problem every day. I tell you to stop. You don't want to stop. So I have to stay on my own so that you can be selling it. You can be selling it. I want to stay on my own. I don't want to enter problem.
Does he sell drugs in the apartment? Clients come in your apartment?
No. They don't come in my apartment. I don't allow client to come in my apartment. He go out to sell. Not in my apartment. Because that house is social house.
Social.
Social assistant, social. Yeah, they give me house for my children. Now why I saw that guy in me? May we talk everything. You not try for me. Because you don't ask me.
We don't ask you.
You don't ask me. I only tell you, you ask me what happened. I said, you want to shock me. My hair kaput. Shine ye come. All my suffer they waste. If they call me bastard, that idiot they call me bastard. If they bust you this night, they will see her for your hand. Wagbeo. Sonia, remember you can't take this word, but no problem. I'm not going to take back. Now so me. That bastard did live video. They insult my mother. They Chris. We'll talk everything. As well. This is bad, no problem. No problem. It's bad, no wahala. You be fool or you're shop blocking. Drug dealer. Drug dealer shop blocking. Wa drug dealer shop blocking. Who wa fiyan go wa gbon. A bastard. Make you run. Give me 4. Zua. Make everywhere cast. Wafiangu. Na me come go to suffer. No problem. Me go make report. No one no be problem. Okay. Tomorrow is Sunday or Monday.
The day after tomorrow.
Okay, I stay in a hotel till on Monday.
This hotel is
Sunday.
On Monday you will speak with this
social.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay.
For the report against Isiomali.
Okay.
Okay. Don't tell anyone the place.
No. I will not try that. God bless you. As I was saying, Godfather,
you say if you wake up tomorrow, you say this is not your mind again, you don't come. Thank God to see your money, then you come.
May you wait, he can't come back again. He won't shock me. When I'm not seeing a comment section, I'm not seeing he won't kill me. This man ready to press my neck, man, die, pick it in my hand. I yourself shut up my mouth. Now, so I do small. I go wake myself for sleep. I be on sleep. Now, so I move, pen. I come outside. Now I take up police. He was tossing. Everybody they cry for comment section. Go Father, make this man kill me. I get children to take care
I'll
of.
go check the record. I'll see the record. I'll go
Okay,
check.
you go see her. Okay. Make this man kill
I'll
me.
see the record.
No.
Outside this morning, see a woman when one marry be new woman, you no go better for now. See pikin room. If I not arrange her, you no go sleep. See if I not arrange. If I go work, problem. No go better for your mama. You see this life when I come, I dey talk I go reach next year. Be you woman, be you man, The only one way fit defeat me in this life, so I commit that crime. I no commit am, I will stand with your lawyer, I will stand with your police alone. You are a bastard daughter of nobody. Oh, good to kill your mama. God punish you. Now money will still in my hand, now you want best with this night. I no agree. You call police for me. You say you want the police how they do waiting. You no go better for your full generation. You go suffer every week. I dey spend 60 euro for your medication. Every week. 60 euro. And they talk am, you go be like say na lie. Ma bring receipt come. You go better for your mama. May your parents go spend that. May your brother go spend. May your brother go spend what I don't spend. See, this one, how much? 30 euro, 73 cents. See, 30 euro, 73 cents. This one, might bring the second one again. See, the same thing, the same medicine, make you not be like say, I dey lie, See, ma put her for back camera. It no go better for your mama Sonia. See, ma put her for back camera. Fellow Nigeria, see, how much you dey see for here? 30 euro, 73 cents. How much you dey see for here again? Check the date. Now the date go tell you the truth. If na the same day, now Sonia no go better for your mama. You go die throw away. I go see whether Social go buy you medicine. You no go better for your future generation. Go pursue and my house. Now house where they give my children. Your children? Who children? Who children? Who children? Children why you no care about? Children why you no care about? No go better for your mama. I spend 60 euro every week to buy you medication. They stop me work for more than how many months? I know they work again. No go better for a full generation. Only brother, when I dey go meet, if he hook me, I go cry, go meet her. You go help me solve problem. Now you carry come on social media this night. Sonia, enough is enough. Enough is enough. You never carry your brother when Biam robber, when you use my 500,000, they go release for police station. You never carry across social media. You must carry your family across social media. No go better for your mama. Your mama the village there we see. Now me they send her money, get accident, he go farm. Now me they send her money. Now me be say she eat. You know go better for a full generation. Police collect the key. It's my house. Government give me and my children. You hear what police tell you? You hear what they tell you? Because you know why? You don't know how prepared I am in this life. You don't know. My first baby mama, she don't let me go call Tayabi. Now she can't tell you be winch. When you run, you think it's a joke. I dey beer. But if I speak, if I spark, you can say, you dey pour me spit. I said become